You need to understand millionaire math. If somebody had taught me this back in school, I guarantee you I would have been a millionaire before I could even drink in America. The first rule is simple. You have to disconnect your income from your time. Your earning potential is limited by the time you have in a day, but wealth is infinite. So step number one, we need to find a product that is already selling. So what you do is you build it once and it will sell forever. Now let's reverse engineer this from $1 million. All you need is 500 customers that will pay you $2,000 in commissions. And there's literally unlimited supply of these programs out there. So the first question people ask themselves is, I don't know how to get 500 customers, which is a completely wrong way to think about it. A better question to ask yourself is, how am I going to get 500 customers? It's a little change, but makes all of the difference. I have the answer for you. And if you want the answer for yourself, just comment how under this video. Let's get it.